Yazdi cake is one of the most famous desserts of Yazd province in Iran. Let's make it. Start by beating the eggs with sugar and vanilla for 5 minutes until thick and creamy. Then, add baking powder to the yogurt and let it sit for 5 minutes to activate. Meanwhile, add the vegetable oil to the egg mixture and beat for 5 minutes. Then add the yogurt and mix. Next, add ground cardamom, rose water, and honey, and mix well. Gradually add the flour with baking powder to the mixture and fold until well combined. Fill about 2/3 of the molds with the batter and score them with a knife to create a cross pattern on top. Sprinkle sesame seeds, chopped pistachios, or almonds on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Enjoy your delicious Yazdi cake.